Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. It's been a while, but I have my mascot, I have my coffee in my Nespresso Liberty mug. Lovely. And as the title says, unboxing. Now, this order's from a couple of months ago, I think. I've not been around, as you know. But I thought these are the Stamp and Die organisers. I bought a pack of these to kind of try. Let me just I'm so glad that Stampin' Up! Have brought these out. It's such a move forward. To finally have standardized stamp and die storage. You know, I mean, I've got, looking at this set here, probably retired, but a DVD case, and you know, doesn't match, does it? I've got to go through all my stamp and dies, see what's still current. I suspect probably not a lot, but never mind. The photopolymer stamps that I have in DVD cases will be transferred to these. Yeah, so that's those. How many do you get, by the way? 10. I think it says 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10. So, right. The second thing I got, which I did post on my Stamping with Ian page, that I actually got it, is this. This is the new stamping positioner tool. I don't really know why I bought it. I guess I may have been caught up in the excitement. But it's the empty box that can be recycled. Because I still have my Stamparatus and the grid paper that goes with it. Best tool ever. I don't know why Stampin' Up! Chose to discontinue it, but you know, that was their decision. But they brought this out, and I've already seen copies on Temu and what have you. So the magnets are a better design with the little handle. I do like that. I do like that improvement. As for positioning, have I got that the right way around? I probably haven't. It goes that way around, doesn't it? Yes, it goes that way around. So take those magnets off. Yeah. And there's also a kind of smaller one if you want to do the those holes there. Nice. Yeah, I'll probably give it a demo at some point. I do have the grid paper as well, of course. That's in inches. Is it in metric on the other side? Let's have a look, shall we? So, apologies if I keep going out of shot. Right, let's have a look. Inches on that side. Ah, yes. And metric on the other. So, useful for the people that use metric and people like me who still use inches. Coffee's good. So yeah, so that's that. I went over the £70 needed for the product of the month. I chose this stamp set here, Fabulous Sayings. Let's have a closer look at it. I wonder if I can use the same. Yeah, I could probably use the same covers as what I've already got. So here we go. Photo polymer. I'm going to wonder, I'm making birthday cards and thank you cards, so I'm wondering if I can use my scan and cut to cut round. I might have to put a shape over it. Yeah, but an excellent saying stamp set. Fabulous, in fact. So there we are, everyone. There will be another video tomorrow, hopefully, because my pre-order for the May-August catalogue is coming. Lots of lovely things. So for the moment, I will bid you farewell. Take care, everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.